Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll walk you through creating awesome Facebook Reels using Canva's simple tools. First, click the Create button at the top. Then, in the menu, type Reels to proceed. You can repurpose this Instagram Reel for Facebook by making a simple selection. First, open your Instagram Reel and tap the Options menu. Look for the sharing or cross-posting settings. Choose Facebook as an additional platform. Once selected, your reel will be available to share on both Instagram and Facebook simultaneously. Select an option that fits, even if you think you can't sing. Choose the one you feel most comfortable attempting right now. Here's an example. Select this item to see how the process works in the application interface. Use this option to apply the settings to all pages, so each page will have the changes. Type the number 4 in this box, then press Enter to confirm your selection. After that, you can add text or edit these slides here. Simply click inside a text box to type, or choose a slide to make changes. After editing your project, click the Share button. Next, select Download from the menu. Your file will be prepared, and the download will begin automatically once it's ready. Download the video file, then open Facebook. Click Create Post, select the video from your device, add a caption if needed, and click Post to upload it to your timeline. You just learned how to make eye-catching Facebook Reels with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.